Hello, and welcome to another Hextom tutorial. Today we're looking at Translate My Store, also known as TMS for short. But more specifically, we're going to be looking into the glossary, which can be found right here on the main page, or on the sidebar right here. Let's jump in. The first two options we can see on our glossary is if we want it enabled or disabled. But we're going to leave it enabled, and we have the option for case sensitivity, and we're going to leave this enabled too. Next, we can see a table here with all of our different languages. English is my default language, and I have German and Spanish. Here is where we can customize our AI and auto translation. So let's say I have some text on my store that is Translate My Store. While these are three different individual words, it's the name of the app or maybe a brand, so we don't want this translated. But with the way it's currently set up with German and Spanish empty, it won't use the glossary yet, so we need to copy and paste it into here. So now when I'm translating German, Translate My Store will stay as Translate My Store. But for Spanish, it won't be used. So let's also copy and paste that into there. And now Translate My Store will stay the same throughout all my different languages. And we can add more glossary terms if we want to. But for this example, we're just going to be using this one here. So let's save. Now let's look at what we're going to be translating. So here I have 4 different products. I have a crazy shirt, fancy shirt, funny shirt, and a nice shirt. But they all have the Translate My Store text in the title. And of course we don't want to translate the brand name, but we're okay with translating the fancy shirt. So we're going to go ahead and start a task to translate my product titles. So here we have an AI translation task that is ready to translate. We'll be translating Spanish, product, the product title, and all translation statuses. If we scroll down, we can see all of our product titles. So let's go ahead and start the AI translation. And let's wait for this to finish. Okay, so here on our task list, we could see that our most recent task has completed. We translated 30 different items with 66 different words. Let's check out the details. Okay, so looking through our task list, we could see 2 of our products right here. We could see the Translate My Store was not translated, but the rest of it was. And if we look for the next 2, there they are, it's the same story. Well, that's just about everything you need to know for using the glossary in the Translate My Store app. Thank you very much for watching, and please let us know if you have any questions.